Guys, today we're removing a right front door trim panel from a 2016 Ford Escape. Let's get to it.
I'm Wes, the auto body guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way.
So let's start out by showing you the trim covers you'll need to remove. The first one is this one behind the interior handle. Just use a pick and behind there and pop that out. This window switch cover just lifts straight up, and it's got a foot at the front. So you lift at this end, pull it this way as it's coming out. The third is this little reflector. You stick your pick at the top corner and pry it like that, and it'll pop out. And that's it for the trim covers. Next we'll do the screws. So here are the trim pieces and the screws that you'll need to remove to get the trim panel off. One is this reflector. You just use a pick. Another is the trim cover behind the interior handle. And then thirdly, the window plug and the trim cover there, which it's just a lift, pull out. It's got a foot at the front there. And then all the screws are 7mm screws, so that keeps it pretty simple. The screw locations for the 5 7mm screws. You got one at the top behind the trim panel there, two behind and under the window switch, one behind the holder by the latch, and then just one underneath here, right there. So once you have all your hardware removed, you go around the bottom edge and pull it away and release these feet. Then the last step is to lift straight up on the panel, and it comes away. So here are the three connections I was talking about earlier. The most difficult one is the interior handle cable release. So essentially what you're going to want to do is, when it's attached to the door, release this foot here and then pull the back away and it'll pop out. Both of these are the standard, just squeeze and release. This one you need a little pick to get down in there, squeeze and release on that. And that's the three wiring and cable connections for the back of the store.